everyone, welcome to a video. Today is the unboxing and show and tell of the pram I got for the little one, and it's the Venicci Gusto 2.0, the 3-in-1 in Biscotti, which is a really gorgeous creamy nude. So basically it came in 3 boxes. There's the car seat. This is the, does it say? No, I can't see. I know one's the car seat, the other one's like the stroller, you would call it. I'm trying to go around to see what's, and yeah, I think the other one is whatever the other one is. This is a bin, a bath, actually the bath with all like colored clothes I need to wash. This is the chair I just got. Literally received it yesterday, and I also got some bits and bobs in here. So basically this has just been delivered. I'm going to open it, see if I need anything assembled, and then show you guys the finished thing. And I'm so excited. This was supposed to arrive, they estimated it for me when I ordered in July, end of October, beginning of November, and I started panicking because I was like, that's a long way away, and she's due literally the first week of December, could come earlier. Panic station, especially when my friend ordered a Venicci pram as well a week before me, and they told her 6 weeks. So I was like, why is mine different? But then again, the Gusto 2.0 didn't launch till end of July, so I was pre-ordering it and it hadn't even launched in the UK yet, so maybe that's why. Very happy it came early. A month and a half early because we're in September, which is great. So I'm going to unbox this, see if it needs anything done to it, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay guys, I literally just got out the car seat, and this gives you an idea. So it's black, but then it's got accents of nude, and I'm guessing these are like seat belts or something, and these are the car adapters. So excited. Okay, I'm gonna open bag or box 2 of 3. Okay guys, so second box is what looks to be wheels, massive wheels, and the exterior of the pram, if I'm seeing correctly. So I really hope this fits in the Mini Cooper. I'm really panicking now. That's hence why I'm glad it came early. So if it doesn't, we need to go for backup too. But yeah, oh my god. Okay, let's open box 3 and see what's in number 3. Okay, this is box 3, and I'm guessing that's a stroller over there, and this is it the bassinet? Could be. Oh, it looks like. Oh, and there's some other things down there as well. Okay, let's unbox and see what's in here, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay guys, so after a lot of trying, this wouldn't stay up, but apparently I needed to like yank it a bit more. Very sorry for the mess at the back. Those are just empty boxes, but we managed to get the cot kind of thing, whatever you call this, done. And yeah, very happy with it. I literally thought this was slightly lighter, but it's fine. But this is the cream color. It's so cute, and even the texture is really nice, as you can see. So you got all the kind of leather kind of accents to it. I do want to open up the car seat because I might have to take that into my car, so it's ready. And there's a little bag, and I think this is like the net. There's a waterproofing for rain, cup holder, which is so handy for me. And there is these covers for the larger wheels, and I think this is a stroller for when she's older, if I'm not mistaken. So there's that one as well. But overall, it's really cute. I'm still scared that this won't even fit in my car, but we will see. Obviously, when it comes to traveling, I won't really travel with this, but I'll travel with the car seat over there. But I need to see if this fits in the car. At least the wheels. If I can get that in the boot, I'm fine. But thankfully, I have time to try. The car's outside. I'm not going to do it today, but I might do it tomorrow. So yeah, she's all set and ready. I'm so excited now. That was very easy to put up, actually. Hey guys, Editing Steffi here. For some reason, I know I filmed an outro video to the video you're currently watching, but for some reason, can't find it. So either I did not press the record button, I have no idea, but I'm currently editing the video. Want to give a bit of an update actually whilst I'm here. And we did try the external piece in the car. Ryan tried it and he failed miserably because he tried to take down one of the sides of the back of the back seats, and I'm like, forget that, it's not going to happen, especially with a car seat and a baby next to it. And the way he put in the actual pram was not secure, and if it fell on her, that would have ended up in a total mess. So I kind of just let him try, and I know he failed miserably, but then I tried to put it in and I managed. All I had to do was literally just have it standing upright and the wheels in. What I need to do is, if I turn the wheels a bit more, I know I can get more space and I can get it in much better, but it fits perfectly standing up, if that makes sense, with the wheels down. So I'm glad, and I'm very surprised, especially for a Mini Cooper. They're tiny, you guys know, but I'm sure I will manage, especially for the first couple of months. The way we kind of looked at it, as long as I can get her in, car seat was no problem. It's very easy, it can be moved. It's not something that's a secure car seat, so I can actually move it about. If I do need to get the bassinet as well, that could fit as well behind my seat if it needs to go. So that's fine as well, and I can also like attach the car seat belt or anything to secure it so it doesn't fall on her or anything. So that's handy. But really and ideally, thankfully, I can actually move the car seat around. So even if I maybe go somewhere with my sister, we can put everything in her car, or with my dad or whatever. So in reality, we're fine. Kind of wish we could use Ryan's car, but Ryan's car is a sports car, and the sports car has a really massive boot, but I'm not going to be seen driving around in a sports car with a baby in the back. So that's one of the reasons why the sports car is not going to be one of those cars that we use with a baby. But yeah, we did joke about it, because I kind of joked and said, your car has the best boot ever, and yet we still can't use it. So very sorry for the no makeup look. It is actually 9:30 in the morning. I'm currently editing this video because I want to get it up for you guys to show you guys the pram. Overall, I really think it is great, especially for the Maltese roads. Now I'm going to offer preference for Malta, because Malta, there's a lot of bad pavements. There's holes, there's ditches, there's a bit of everything. And the one thing I wanted to make sure is I get a really good pram that has big wheels, goes over all those humps and bumps and whatever, and is secure, especially with a baby inside the pram. So that was one of the reasons why we did go for a more bulky pram rather than these easy prams that are easy and lightweight and whatnot. It is a bit heavy, on the heavy side, especially when you're carrying just the pram external thing rather than, you know, the car seat or anything. Like, even for me, it's a bit heavy. Like, I try to just carry just the external part, which I still don't think I'm doing correctly yet, because I think I was literally banging myself with it, so I don't think I was actually carrying it properly. So that's something I do need to look into and see what I'm doing wrong. But as a pram, it's so comfortable, especially with the big wheels. You don't feel any bumps or whatever. It's amazing. And I was just looking at practicality, especially with the Maltese road that we have here. If we're in England, I think we'd be fine, because in England the pavements are amazing. Like, compared to here, like, oh my god, it's disastrous. And especially like my mum's road, and like just ridiculous. I don't know why people just don't arrange these things. And there's like slopes on pavements. There's just things that just are not pram friendly or wheelchair friendly in my opinion, especially here in Malta. But anyways, that's just my opinion. So hence why we did get a more bulky pram compared to these amazing lightweight ones where we just push of a button and it opens up. You know, this one's a bit more fiddly. I'm still trying to get used to opening and closing it, remembering where the buttons are basically, but I'm very happy with it. It was a bit more on the expensive side, but it's a 3-in-1, so it has everything together, especially for until she's like 1 at least, especially the car seat. I think it's about to the age of 1, I think I can use it, but depending on how much she grows and stuff like that. But overall, very happy with it. Glad the wheels fit in the car. Glad I can still use my Mini Cooper, so that's the most important, because we just couldn't afford getting another car just now. Like in this 2021, we did so much. We moved into this place, we had to finish this place, we got married, and now we're having a baby. So a lot of expenses, guys. Like reality, there's a lot of expenses going into this. Like again, having a baby is very expensive, thinking about it. Like spend a lot on her. Like usually I spend a lot of money on myself, but spending a lot of money on other people is, wow, yeah, new thing for me really. But yeah, I'm very happy and very excited. There'll be more things to show you guys in the next video, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I will give you a more in-depth review obviously once she comes and once I've started using it, so because obviously I can't give you a proper review yet at all. But I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and first look, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you shortly. Bye guys.